Hey everyone, we're back. So we're at the last row here of our wall, our laminate floor, pergo, laminate floor, whatever. So you want to measure. You're doing the last row. You want to measure about a quarter of an inch back there to give your floor room, to float or whatever. And then, so getting it in there. So you cut it to, mine I had to cut off like the back inch and a half or so. Then you want to use this, the pull bar. So it's got the little gripper on the back there. And you tap it, as you move it along, you want to tap it this way. Get the groove that it's supposed to go into pretty much in there all the way. And then finally, push down as you tap it. So it's very similar using the other thing, but just as you're doing it, push down now. This last bit, tap. So. Move it along. Push it down a little bit. Pulling it in. That's why it's important to leave yourself a gap. There you go. So that's the last board. I just make sure it's down. It's not snug anywhere. Maybe not far down there. Pull it in. And there you go. Last one's in there. And that's how you do it. Use that pull bar. And that's it. So, and you'll have a gap all the way around the edge that your trim will cover. When you put down your trim or your molding, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, that's about it. So the floor's done. I just have my trap door here that I'm probably going to put, I think I have enough left. I got this is about perfect for this. So I got a few pieces left in the box there. I'm going to just go over the trap door on top of it so it looks similar. And I'm done. So thanks for watching. Hope that helped you with that last board there. Getting that last piece in there nice and snug. Have a great day, everyone. Okay, bye.